Hello, Victor. This is your cleaning job. This is the serial number and FPV camera. This is the reader, obstacle of this reader. The article antenna. This one water pump. In chargers, 2 chargers. In batteries, 5 pieces. In water hose, total is 8 rows. One row is 20 meters, total 160 meters. This is the motor, 2 motors, and propeller, extra propellers, 4 pieces. In toolbox, there are some screws and some tools inside it. And this is the kit for you. This one is a charger adapter for the water pump use. In foam bottle, this is the filter for the water pump use. And this is the propeller protect cover and 5 nozzle spring gun. In this one, the spring ball and remote controller. Okay, that's all the details.